This is how people are creating viral AI Christmas photos, using just one image and AI tools. Welcome to AI Smart Wealth, where we use artificial intelligence to create smarter content and creative ideas. In this video, you will learn how to do the AI Christmas photo trend using 3 different methods. The AI Christmas photo trend is all about turning a normal photo into a festive holiday image using artificial intelligence. You've probably seen these photos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And today, you'll learn how to create them yourself.
First, choose a clear photo. Make sure your face is visible. The lighting is good, and avoid strong filters.
Method 1 uses Nano Banana, a professional and trending AI tool.
Click Upload File and select your photo, then choose Image Generation or Image Editing.
Use this prompt.
AI Holiday Portrait, Cozy Christmas Vibe, wearing a holiday sweater, soft warm lighting, Christmas tree background, snow falling, realistic face, high quality.
The prompt is the most important part. It tells the AI exactly what kind of holiday photo you want.
Click Submit to create outputs.
You can edit the outputs if you want and download the ones you like.
AI Holiday Portrait, wearing a Christmas hat, cozy Christmas vibe, showing upper body, soft warm lighting, Christmas tree in the background, snow falling, realistic face, high quality. Method 2 uses Canva, which is easy and beginner friendly.
First, open canva.com and then select Canva AI.
Upload your photo by clicking Upload File.
Now enter your prompt.
AI Holiday Portrait, cozy Christmas vibe, wearing a holiday sweater, soft warm lighting, Christmas tree background, snow falling, realistic face, high quality. Click Submit to create outputs.
If the outputs are not exactly what you want, you can change the prompt below or modify it however you like.
First, open Whisk AI.
If you want the full Whisk tutorial, the complete video is linked at the top of the screen. Click Upload File from the left side and select your photo.
Make sure to activate Seed so your photo edits remain consistent with your original image.
In the bottom section, type your prompt.
Click Submit to generate outputs.
If the outputs are not exactly what you want, you can change the prompt below or modify it however you like. And that's how you do the AI Christmas photo trend and the AI holiday photo trend. Now, it's your turn. Which method would you choose to create your Christmas photo? Which output looks more natural and beautiful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our AI tutorials.